Now, Sachin Tendulkar is the highest run getter in Test cricket. We all know that. But how many of you have heard of Sachin making headlines because of politics? Because the president of the country has approved his nomination to the Rajya Sabha.
Sachin Tendulkar made a surprise visit to Congress President Sonia Gandhi's residence on Thursday morning. And then it came to light that the Master Blaster's name had been recommended by the Congress for a seat in the Rajya Sabha. Reports have suggested that Tendulkar gave his nod to Sonia Gandhi at 10 Janpath.
If he comes to Parliament, most welcome. वो बैटिंग करेंगे, हम गूगली फेंकेंगे.
However, with a packed cricket calendar, will Sachin manage to attend Parliament at all?
But if he is being nominated, surely one would expect to devote some time for the Parliament. Parliament is also a serious business.
But Sachin giving his consent to this could raise a very important question. Is Sachin finally thinking beyond cricket?
It's completely a personal decision which he has to think. And for a sports person, I think people like Sachin coming in is always good because it's going to benefit sports and it's going to benefit, especially sports. But I think Sachin is one person who everybody looks up to it, and I'm sure he'll do a great job. And if he thinks it's going to hamper, he might not join. If he thinks that he can still carry on doing that, I'm sure.
It's better Sachin sticks to his job of playing cricket since he's an experienced cricketer.
He should not be the member of parliament. He should continue his playing on cricket.
People worship him as a cricketer. So it's better he sticks on to what he is doing currently. And if he jumbles, he will most probably lose the respect he has as of now.
Like a lot of film stars who haven't contributed at all to the Indian society, still they have got a seat. So Sachin has contributed for over a period of time. Like 22 years he has been playing for the country. So I think he deserves a chance.
मेरे ख्याल से उसको बना देना चाहिए क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छी पॉजिटिव सोच है उनकी. जैसे देश के लिए पहले भी उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया है, चाहे क्रिकेट के जरिए और भी किसी संस्था के जरिए किया है, और आई थिंक वो करेंगे.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.